So mga kaguro, update muna tayo sa ating salary increase. Nagpalabas ng statement ang Department of Budget and Management. Ito yung sabi, the compensation and benefits study on the possible salary adjustment for government workers is ongoing and it is targeted to be finalized before the end of June 2024. So, mga kaguro, pina-finalize pa yung salary increase. Ibig sabihin, nung una kasi is mali yung naging balita, no? Nasa June na daw ang effectivity ng salary increase, pero hindi pa pala. Nag-uusap pa sila, pina-finalize pa nila, at ngayong end, no, sa katapusan ng June 2024, dito natin malalaman kung ano yung update talaga ng salary increase. Meron ba? Or wala? Or magkano ba? The comprehensive study thoroughly explores various aspects of the current compensation system, including salaries, benefits, and allowances to identify areas for improvement. So, kasali na dito yung benefits, allowances. Ito yung mga isa sa pinagtutuunan din nila ng pansin. Kasi sabi dito, it involves benchmarking activities against the private sector and seeks to establish a fair and sustainable pay structure that will enhance the welfare and productivity of government workers considering the effects of inflation. So, kinukonsider pa rin dito yung mga private sector. Kasi alam naman natin yung mga sahod sa private sector ay hindi masyadong kasing laki, no, ng mga sahod nila. So, kino-consider pa ang mga nagtatrabaho sa private sector. The results of the study will likewise serve as the basis for making necessary changes in the total compensation framework of civilian government personnel to ensure fair and timely salary adjustment for government workers. Once the study is finalized, the consultant commissioned by the Governance Commission for GOCCs or GCG will present the accepted study results both to the Department of Budget and Management or DBM and the GCG. The DBM assures its readiness to support the implementation of the salary adjustment, no? So, ito yung sabi niya, the DBM assures its readiness to support the implementation of the salary adjustment once approved. Kung i-assure daw ng DBM na ready sila to support the implementation of the salary adjustment once approved, kung ma-approve na ito. Pero kung hindi, so ganun. Antay-antay lang talaga tayo sa kanilang final statement. To ensure a competitive and equitable compensation package for our civil servants, we will find a way to fund its implementation. So, hahanap din sila ng paraan. Subject to exist revenue to be collected by the national government. So, yun lang mga kaguro. Antay-antay lang talaga tayo sa salary increase. By the end of June 2024, doon natin malalaman kung ano ano na ba talaga ang result. Meron ba tayong increase? O meron man, magkano? Or wala ba? So, be positive and thank you for listening.